Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please remember to hit that subscribe button and the little bell to notify you when I upload a new video. Today I'm just going to pour some paint, nothing fancy. I'm just paint pouring. I don't want to get too messy because I have a tumbler over there turning with its last coat of epoxy on it. I'll show you it. Whoop. It's the one I did with the acrylic skins. Those skins were made with primary elements. I have a video of that. I can link it at the end if you're interested in seeing how I did that. But it's last. I gotta loosen up this tripod. Okay. So let me put you in a little bit. I am just using some leftover paints, and I put them all in a cup. They're just crazy colors. They're just the paints that I had left over from a previous pour, with a couple other paints I had left over from a previous pour. So I might do some swiping. I might do some swirling. I don't know. We're just going to play. Almost just put my arm in my tumbler. Hang on one second here. Sorry guys, my family walked in. My door on the studio is getting stuck. Last week I couldn't even get into the studio. It was just jammed so bad. All right, so I think I'm just gonna pour and tilt, maybe swipe. I don't know, but let's just do this. The colors that are in here, I'll list below. I have 3 primary elements, which is Venetian red, butter toffee, and crushed velvet. Some interference violet, and some Artist Loft pre-mixed aqua and black, and maybe a little purple. So here we go. I should have put this in a cup that I could squeeze better. I think I'm just gonna drizzle it everywhere. From like up high, so it kind of splashes on. Ribbons back and forth. All right. Looks kind of schmancy. Looks kind of cool just like that. Isn't that crazy? How you plan things out and you drive yourself crazy, and then you can just take some leftover paints and be all willy-nilly with it. And it come out super cool. Now, there is quite a bit of paint on here, so I am going to have to tilt some. But I'm not going to do a whole lot. I say that now. I have my swiping papers ready, everything. But I'm really kind of digging it. I mean, if there wasn't so much paint on here, and I'd be afraid that it wasn't going to dry, I'd just leave it. Bring it down this way so that it looks stretched on all sides. You guys, seriously. I'm not going to swipe. I'm going to leave it alone because it keeps developing, and it's got some really cool things happening. Just some like organic cell stuff happening. So I'm curious to see where this is going to go. I mean, it's just on its own little journey all by itself. So, I'll come get you and take you in on a close-up. I just put my Y'all just saw what I did, right? We really don't need to say what I just did. Oh well. I gotta fix the sides and stuff, but I can do that off camera. I'm going to come and get you guys. Hold on. Okay. Oh, let's get rid of this obnoxious ring light. Look at that. So this is like an overall look here. So cool. I have to fix the sides, but isn't it pretty? Let's go backwards. That red and the purple. Everywhere that the red and the purple are together, it created this brainy type stuff. It's just like absolute chaos. It's kind of what my head's been doing. Have you guys ever noticed that your art totally represents the mood or your feelings that you're feeling at the time? This is just dark and chaotic. But, you know, it's like, it so wants to be pretty, but it just can't get its ass out of bed to do so. Oh, sorry. I wasn't talking about my painting. I thought we were talking about something else. All right, cool. Yeah, I was going to swipe, but it keeps developing. Seriously. I mean, it's just growing and growing. I'm going to let it sit for like 10 minutes, and if it changes a whole lot, I'll bring you back. If it doesn't change a whole lot, then you'll see it on an upcoming video after I put resin on it. So cool. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up. And hopefully I will get another one uploaded within a week. And I will see you guys on the next video. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.